Hi, my name is Bash Harry and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little special because it is a very personal and private video for me because I'm showing you guys my room. It's a room tour! But this video is definitely going to be late because in a few months I will be moving when I go into third year into another house with some friends just because this house is too far. I wouldn't consider my room to be that decorative. It doesn't have any posters anymore, but it's more organized than my last room just because I have space to put my information, my calendar, etc, etc. My room admittedly is not that big, but it's definitely bigger than my student room back last year, which I didn't do a room tour just because it was way too small and my room was just perpetually messy. This room at least is bigger and I can fit more stuff in, like my studio lights and my books and just some other general stuff. So if you want to see how I decorate this room, or more likely organize this room, just keep on watching. So let's start behind my door, which is all my scarves. Wow, I have a lot of scarves. I also have my hats up there and my little scrunchie if I need some volume. I kept this bag because I usually bring it when I need to go out and I don't want to bring too much things or I need a small bag. It's enough to carry some cash and my phone with me. Over to the left, you see me. Hello. Hi. As you can tell, I'm not really dressed to go out. I'm in my pajama pants, a turtleneck, and my hijab. Come on, you only need to see me like half my body, so there's no point in me looking nice from the waist down. And over to the left again, you can see there's my foldable table and foldable chair, which I use when I want to film. My studio lights, I'm really lazy to put it back into their place. If I'm gonna film in the next few days, I just leave it up so it's easy for me when I want to film again. So those are just random cables, I use that. Usually they're turned off, but right now I'm charging a battery pack because I need that later today. Oh look, it's me again. Hello! I don't want you guys to see my calendar or my timetable. I DIY'd this grid board. I just bought the grids off Amazon and put some mounts right there so it can hang really easily. And it made it nice to hang my earrings, my sunglasses, a mirror, because, well, who doesn't want to see your face? Some Polaroids, I took some down because you don't need to see them. And my calendar, which I'm hoping will be blurred. That one says, "Bash, you rock, there's nothing to worry about," which my friend wrote when they came over a few weeks ago, I think. My schedule, my timetable for the week. So over here is my vanity. It's very simple, very basic. That's where I keep all my skincare. And this is my accessories. So apart from the sunglasses and earrings, which are dangling, these are my necklaces, my chokers, some pins, and my business cards, which, you know, I have plenty of, and my sewing kit. So if something pops or something breaks, I can easily sew it back together. That's why I also have a random pair of scissors there. Below this pile is my dresser. It's clothes, sweaters, anything that can be folded, I fold it and put it here. And over here are my shoes, because I am a girl who reinforces gender stereotypes. I don't know how many pairs I have. Wait, let me count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, 13 shoes. That is honestly not that bad. I think I had about 15 last year, and I put back most of them in Brunei. Huh, good for me. Over here is my desk. This is usually where I do my makeup. This is my little makeup collection that I've accumulated. I usually do my makeup here since this is the only window in the room. My laptop, because I also do work here. And you know, just general clutter. So this is my other wardrobe, the ones where I need to hang things. I also keep my bags inside. Like my dressers, I don't really want to open it because I'm uncomfortable with people looking at my stuff. We've got my PR boxes. They're really sweet. The boxes are so nice and I really don't want to throw them out and I have nowhere else to put them, so they're just piling up in this corner. There's my ukulele and there's just a giant art canvas. I use this art canvas and that small one right there. When I want to take pictures, I just put them on the floor and I start taking pictures of the products with my studio lights. Up top is my mantelpiece where I keep my law books, you know, equity, trust, property law, EU law, some books that I'm going to read or I've already read, and these are just my favorites. Here's the other side. This is a candle that I ruined somehow. Some pennies on that drawer right here. And this is Wally the owl, short for Wallace. He's from Kenya. My friend gave him to me for Christmas, which was very sweet. And then there's like my little writing piece, which I use usually as a prop more than anything else. Staplers, hole punchers, matches, because I like to light things on fire. And I've also got my little DIY reflectors right here. They're just cardboard that I taped up with tin foil so it can bring light in. This is also my printer, which doesn't have any ink because I keep forgetting to buy ink. My cameras, you have my Canon 600D, my Fujifilm X-T10 which broke, and my little Polaroid. Over here we have the books that I brought as well, and my Ravenclaw tie, cause #Potterhead. Yeah, you don't really care about my bookshelf, do you? And then we move on to my wonderful bed. So these are the stuffed animals I brought with me. This is Cambridge Pembroke III, Honey Pie, and Bernard. Pembroke is a gift from a friend of mine who gave it to me for my birthday. Honey Pie, I've had her since I was 6 years old, I think, and I've just had her and brought her everywhere. And that's Bernard. Aw, Bernard. I knitted him for a friend and I just never gave him, and because he was so cute I decided to keep him. My sheets will always be white just cause I like to keep it clean and easy. Don't like any bold colors in my room. This is the only thing that is remotely interesting in my room. It's called a shuka, which is a blanket from the Maasai people in Kenya. My friend also gave me this as a gift. It's so sweet. This is my side table, nothing too crazy. My wallet, my glasses, a watch that I'm supposed to take some pictures of, but it broke. It came and broke, so I need to go to a store and fix it. My alarm clock, which is 15 minutes early. My knitting and yarn, because I'm supposed to make a duck, but that was a project that I still haven't finished. And my favorite piece, which is this little cat skull my sister made for me. I think it's very cute, hence why it's the only art piece in my room. So this is my room. Nothing too crazy, nothing too insane. It's just a nice, easy, breezy room. I don't keep anything fancy in it. I want it to be practical and organized, especially since I'm moving in a few months. I don't really want to have anything of value or make me miss it so much or have a lot of clutter, just cause last year it took me about a week to clean up my room from my dorm, and I'd rather not do that again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this little room tour. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me down below what kind of videos you'd like to see next. My name is Bash Harry, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!